Hello friends, Leigh Brown here, and I'm coming at you from probably number 17 on your personal bucket list, which is a visit to Concord, North Carolina, and this unknown jewel, the Concord Convention Center, attached to the Embassy Suites for your convenience with a golf course behind it. Now, what is your big chance to come here? Well, if you come to the North Carolina winter meetings in January of 2023, you could come to my installation as the North Carolina Realtor State President, which will also be the installation of our entire leadership team, our committee chairs, our affiliate groups. It's going to be a real big shindig of all the leaders in North Carolina real estate. And you might get to go over to the Speedway for a tour. You could go shopping at Concord Mills, but mainly you can hang out with realtors who are doing everything possible to protect the rights of North Carolinians when it comes to their housing and their commercial property and their land. Because when realtors get together, things happen, and you totally want to be there. So if you want information on coming to my installation, I'd be so glad. So hit me up in my messages, and I'll see y'all January 26th, 2023.